These Pokémon don't grow. They dominate the wild. Let's count down the top 5 coolest grass-type Pokémon. Number 1, Sceptile. Sharp, fast, and silent. It slices through its enemies like a jungle blade. Number 2, Venusaur. A blooming beast. Heavy, strong, and full of solar destruction. Number 3, Rillaboom. The king of rhythm and roots. He shakes the earth with every beat. Number 4, Decidueye, the silent archer of the forest. One arrow, one strike, no sound. Number 5, Leafeon, fast, elegant, and razor sharp. A leaf that cuts before it lands. Which grass Pokémon would you choose? Comment and subscribe to W Pokémon.